Okay, we changed already the LCD. We already motherboard. So this is the previous LCD, which is really broken. So let's start to install connections. This is the LCD. Touch screen. So before you install this one, you have the speaker, the camera, vibrator, and sensor. So you have the flex for charging flex. So I already removed and changed it. Now we have to install the battery.
A&E Mobile and Laptop Repair.
And then the back cover. Back cover, it should be installed, because without this one, it will give you an error, which is overheating or temperature issue for Samsung, because it has a resistor sensor.
A&E Mobile and Laptop Repair. A&E Mobile and Laptop Repair.
A&E Mobile and Laptop Repair.
A&E Mobile and Laptop Repair. A&E Mobile and Laptop Repair.
Let's try to test it, if it is working or what. All goods. Working.
Message us for inquiries. Apple and Android.
Let's try to check the charging. If it is charging properly, no errors.
Message us for inquiries. Software and hardware.
Make sure charging is no error, or else you have to change the backlight. Charging. Charging is all good. Charging properly. So that's it, guys.
Thanks for watching.